So, this is an owl with cool eyes. Oh, I see. This one will be dead soon. This one. This is a frog, and I have another frog. And this is a frog with only a single eye. As you can see, the other eye deteriorated. Now you can see on the screen the eye after cleaning, how it looks like. Well, I could rebuild it, but I want to do something better. A Hypnotoad.
Everybody loves Hypnotoad.
This show's been going downhill since season 3.
Some voiceover. So first I made some simulations with AI to know how it will look like. So now you can see those simulations on the screen. Well, the AI generated some scripts, but I was only interested in the simulation. Then I made the schematic that you can see now. Then I made the board. Actually, two boards, 3 boards, but two of them are identical. 2 eyes and a control board, so you can see the layouts now. Then I wrote some software, and to be honest, it was actually, I don't like wasting resources. The MCU has 32 kilobytes of flash, and my software is 800 bytes or something of the binary code, so it's wasteful. But well, this was the cheapest MCU I could get, so the smaller MCU was more expensive, so I used this one, and this is how it looks like. And let's pause for a moment, because this is where the magic actually happens. As you can see, I've split the whole animation to 8 phases, and the sequence in each phase is exactly the same, but masks 0 in line 17 is key edge all, so the K-toad for the horizontal line in the left eye. Then we have vertical line in the left eye, in the line 18, and it is shifted 180 degrees, so 4 ticks where the face is, remember 8 ticks. And then we have the same for the right eye, but it is shifted by 19 degrees, so 2 instead of 0 and 6 instead of 4. And then if you look at the create line, we have a sequence of 5 different port configurations, which correspond to 1 LED, 2 LEDs, 3 LEDs, etc. To 5 LEDs. The central LED is always on. And as you can see, the new phase is calculated. It's clipped to be always less than 8. And then it's really first index, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then we roll 4th, 3rd, 2nd. So it's in it's in a ping pong loop. So this is what actually represents the animation. So this is the magical contraption. This is some part of something to mask it. Yeah, it doesn't actually look that bad, I believe so. Let's put it this way. Well, it looks better on a video than in real life, but I would have to add some light here maybe to show you. No, there's no difference really. Okay, so let's try to install it in the frog that is here. Here we have the frog. So this is the frog with frog parts removed, and I will install those eyes. Then I will cut this protective layer, then this board. I already used some varnish on this side, and I will use some glue on this side and on this side as well. No, I used varnish on this side as well. If you're wondering why there are so many crosses, it's because the tracks on the board were so thin and my process isn't perfect, and I etched it for too long and I had to repair the board. The eye boards have been installed. Let's grab this something. This will be how it will look like. It's not very appealing, but maybe it will. It looks better on a video, really. Let me just show you when I turn it off how it looks like. Something like that. Okay, this is how it looks like now. Eyes have been cut out with scissors. I will use two layers of this protective something for one eye. I used a hot melt glue to install it, but I can already see that it wasn't a good idea, so I think I will use something else. I have this glue. Maybe it will be better. It's for the soft PVC. The glue has been installed, so I guess let's wait for it to dry out, and we will see the effect. And the toad has been sealed and connected. It's very bright here, so you probably can't see the toad. I'll make another take in the evening. Yeah, the rolling shutter ruins the effect in the camera. It doesn't look the way you see it in the camera, so let's wait for the sun to come down. The cats and the frog. Doesn't look bad, does it?